Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome to this class. So we're going to start a series to solve NECO 2024 past question in maths. We're going to begin with the essay part of the questions, and for today's video, we're going to start with question number 1. So let's get started. The question reads, solve the pair of equations 4a plus 12b is equal to 16. That's equation 1. Equation 2 is 2a plus 3b is equal to 7. So the question says, hence, find the positive value of k, given that a plus b is equal to k to the power of 2. So this is a question under the topic called simultaneous equation. And under the simultaneous equation, we can use two methods to solve. We can use either the elimination method or the other method called the substitution method. Any of these two methods used to solve any problem under simultaneous equation arrives at the same answer. So let's see which equation will be suitable for the two equations given here. So for the purpose of today's video, we are going to use the second method, which is known as the substitution method. So let's get started. 4a plus 12b is equal to 16 and 2a plus 3b is equal to 7. So let's pick the first equation and make a the subject of formula. Okay, so from equation 1, let's make a the subject of formula. Equation 1 is 4a plus 12b is equal to 16, right? So since we want to make it a subject of formula, this becomes 4a is equal to what? 16 plus 12b crosses the equal sign, becomes a negative value, which is minus 12b, right? So at this point, what can we do to simplify this? We can divide both sides by what? By 4, all right? So here it means 4 cancels 4 here. We are left with a. This is equal to, this same thing as saying 16 divided by 4 minus 12b divided by 4. Right? So we have a is equal to 16 divided by 4 gives us 4, minus 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So this is 3b. So we have a new equation, which is a is equals to 4 minus 3b. We call this equation equation 3. This is our new equation. So we are using substitution method. Now, since we got equation 3 from equation 1, now we are going to pick equation 2 and substituting the value for a into the equation. So now, from equation 2, which is what? 2a plus 3b equals 7, right? So now let's substitute the value for a. This becomes 2 multiplied by a, which is 4 minus 3b. Keep quiet, mama. Plus 3b is equal to 7. So let's expand this. We have 2 times 4 here gives us 8. Minus 2 times 3 gives us what? 2 times 3b gives us 6b plus 3b is equal to 7. So let's simplify this. Let's collect like terms, or this becomes 8 minus 6b plus 3b gives us what? Minus 3b is equal to 7. So we can collect like terms by rearranging. This becomes 8 plus 7 is crossing over to the other side, becomes minus 7 is equal to what? Minus 3 crosses over to become what? Plus 3b. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 is equal to 3b. We are looking for the value of b at this point, right? So we divide both sides by what? By 3. Doing that means what? The 3 cancels out here. Therefore, the value for b is equal to 1 over 3. So we've gotten the value for b. What we have left now is for us to get the value for a. And to get the value for a, all we need to do is to go back to equation 3, which is a is equals to 4 minus 3b, and substitute in the value for b, which we have gotten, into the equation. So let's do this. So equation 3, from equation 3, which is what? A is equal to 4 minus 3b, right? So now let's substitute together. So this becomes A is equal to 4 minus 3 multiplied by the value for B, which is 1 over 3. So this becomes A is equals to 4 minus 3 times 1. Here we have 3. Then the denominator here we have 3, right? So this is equal to what? 4 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? And 4 minus 3 gives us, 4 minus 1 gives us what? Gives us 3. So therefore, the value for A is equals to 3, while the value for B is equal to 1 over 3. So viewers, hope you understand up till this point, right? If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you for watching. And if you're just coming across my video for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video here on the page. Thank you once more. So let's continue. So we have a condition which says that we should find the value for k if a plus b is equals to k square, right? So a plus b equal to k square. Our concern is for us to find the value of k, right? So let's do this. So a plus b equal to k square. Our concern is for us to find the value of k, right? So let's do this. So a, which is 3, plus b, which is 1 over 3, is equal to k square. So for us to eliminate the square, what do? We take what? The square root of both sides. So take the square root of both sides, right? So taking the square root of both sides, here we have square root of 3 plus 1 over 3 is equals to the square root of k square. So the square cancels the square root here. We have left with square root of 3 plus 1 over 3. So let's simplify what we have in the square root, right? So here we have square root. The LCM here, this is the same thing as saying 3 over 1, right? So the LCM here is 3. That is LCM of the two denominators, that is 1 and 3. The LCM is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times the numerator 3 here is 9. Plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times numerator here is 1, right? So this is equal to what? K. So we have 9 plus 1, which gives us what? 10 over what? 3 equal to what? K, right? So we have K is equal to the square root of 10 over 3. So if you take the square root, if you divide 10 by 3 and take the square root of the value, we are going to have our final answer as K is equal to 1.83. So this is the final answer, the value for K, okay? So viewers, hope you understood what has been taught today. This is under simultaneous equation, and we have used substitution method to solve this problem. This is NECO 2024 essay question number 1. In the next video, we shall continue with question number 2. If you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section. I am your tutor Aisha Bande, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.